Hey, so as promised, today I will be, I'm going out to train today, so I will try to film something. Today, what I want to do is to practice to build up my grip strength so that I could do muscle ups, and I also want to practice some of the parkour rolls so that I can get used to it because my back is so not built up for it. So yeah, I want to train it. I want to train from the grass first and then slowly progress into concrete, and then maybe sooner or later I could do a barrel roll off a table or something. So yeah, without further ado, enjoy. It does seem to me that I won't be able to train very long because look at this. It's very gloomy and it might rain anytime soon. I hope it at least gives me an hour of training in, but depending on how it goes, we'll have to see. But in the meantime, let the warm-up There was a bee near my leg just now, so yeah. I trained a bit more and I decided to stop doing the bars for now because if I do any more, I think the calluses are gonna rip off, so I'm gonna stop doing that for now. I'm gonna move on to other things. I will try to do the parkour. My spine still feels a bit like it did hit my spine a little, so that means I've got to work on the technique. But when I go back, I'm gonna review this footage and see what I did wrong. Okay, so training is cancelled for the day because it's raining. I don't know if you can tell from this color, but yeah, yep, it's raining. So like as soon as I said I wanted to review more footage, it started raining. So yeah, now it's the right time to review it. So yeah, let's go back and see. So I guess that's it for today. Thank you guys. Like, subscribe, anything, whatever. Okay, see you.